Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to another CFAT Practice Test Questions with answers in problem solving. This is now set number 8, and in this video I will solve 5 problems with detailed solutions. But before I start, I'd like to turn your attention to armytest.com. There is a free CFAT test in order to prepare you for your exam, and there's also a full version, which is the paid version. The paid version will allow you to be able to have 520 problem solving questions with solutions, 244 questions on verbal skills, 190 questions on spatial ability. All in all, it's 950 questions with detailed solutions, explanations, and animations. Okay, and back to the I forgot to mention, I will put the link in the description for the Army test free test in order for you to easily access it. Okay, and now back to the questions. Okay, number 1. Paul is on the 25th floor of a high-rise building when the time was 6:25. If it takes him 12 seconds to go down per floor, what will be the time when he arrives at the ground floor? Okay, a very exciting question. Here are the choices, and the correct answer is letter B. And the solution I will show you. The solution will involve step 1 is to multiply the number of floors by time going down per floor. Okay, so we're multiplying the number of floors by the time it takes Paul to go down per floor. So in the given, we have 25 floors, and the time it takes per floor is 12 seconds. So we just need to multiply 25 times 12 in order to get the total time of 300 seconds. And then the step 2 is to divide the total time by 60 to convert to minutes. So we have 300 seconds here as the total time. We divide 300 minutes divided by 60 seconds per minute. We've got 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is the total time from the 25th floor going down all the way to the ground floor. So the step 3 now is to add 5 minutes to the time when Paul was at the top of the floor. So when he was at the 25th floor, it was 6:25. The time was 6:25, so we add 5 minutes right there. So then we got 6:30 at the time for the time at the ground floor. Okay, so 6:30, it's choice letter B. Okay, moving on to question number 2. What is the next number in the series below? 279, 186, blank, 82.67. So here are the choices, and the correct answer is letter D, 124. And the solution is below. So we divide by 1.5 to get the next number. So the first number was 279. We divide 1.5, we get 186. Then continuing on 186, we divide by 1.5, we got 124, which is the answer. And then we further divide 124 divided by 1.5, we got 82.67, which is the last number on the series. Okay, so the answer is 124, letter D. Okay, moving on to question number 3. Calculate the value of the unknown. 30% x is equal to 1080 times 1 over 72. Here are the choices, and the correct answer is 50. Solution. So 30% x is equal to 1080 times 1 over 72. 30% x is equal to 0.3x in decimal form. 1080 times 1 over 72 is equal to 15. So we solve for x now, so we get 15 divided by 0.3, x is equal to 50. Okay, and which is letter C. Number 4. On his first week, Adam worked 40 hours from Monday to Friday. On Saturday, he worked overtime for an extra 20% of his hours. On the second week, he worked 43 hours with no overtime. How many hours did he work in total? Okay, here are the choices, and the correct answer is 91. Solution. So we need to solve for Adam's hours on the first week. So we were given 40 hours plus an overtime of 20% of his hours on the first week. So then we got 40 is equal to first week hours is equal to 40 plus 20% times 40. So 20% of 40 is equal to 8. We then add 8 to 40, we got 48. That's the first week hours. The second week, there is no overtime, just 43 hours. So second week is 43. We then add 48 plus 43, we get 91 as the total hours that Adam worked. So 91 is letter C. Okay, number 5. What is the correct value of y? In the expression below, 0.8 minus y plus 34 is equal to y minus 0.9. Here are the choices, and the correct answer is D, 17.85. Solution. So right here, I just copied the original problem. Then I move y on the right side and move the constants on the left side. So we got 0.8 plus 0.9 plus 34. Take note that when you move from left to right, the sign changes. So negative 0.9 on the right side will be positive 0.9 on the left side when it's moved. same as minus y, which was on the left side. When it moves to the right side, it will be plus y. So then we get 35.7 by adding 0.8 plus 0.9 plus 34, we have 35.7. And then we add y plus y, we got 2y. So then we solve for y is equal to 35.7 divided by 2. We get y is equal to 17.85, which is letter D. Okay. Hope you have learned something from this video. Wish you all the best in your CFAT exam and your career in the Canadian Forces. Hope you have a wonderful career. So again, I will put the link on the description of the video for armytest.com free test, free CFAT test. Okay, cheers and have a good one.